Before we had Allex, our planning was not as efficient as it has become. Each department would plan on their own rather than having a joined up approach. So we didn't have a clear overall picture of our plan for our production of our machines. My name is Paul Rayner. I work for Atlas Converting Equipment in Bedford in the UK. So the main problems that we face are that the various phases of the project, the handover between those phases wasn't as smooth and as efficient as perhaps we'd like it to be. Before we start the project, we've already given the customer a delivery date for the machine, and any delay can impact on that delivery date. So when you work with Allex, when you're familiar with using it, it's very easy to look at a project. You can tell exactly what stage the project's at, which department are currently carrying out their task, how far they've proceeded through that task, so you can then calculate when that task will finish and when they'll hand over to the next task. We've seen the benefits in workflow through our business, in communication between departments, a handover from one task to another. This makes us more efficient, it makes us more smooth running. I would recommend Allex.ai to any company that involves planning, involves multiple departments. It's a great tool for improving your efficiency. It improves communication among your departments and it enables you to catch up should you fall behind.